Do you want to try a frozen chocolate margarita?
Sure.
This comes to us from Olivia's Cuisine. I already have in here a cup of chocolate ice cream and half a cup of ice.
Okay.
Now we're going to add 1.5 ounces of tequila. All right, so you have an option here. I can use El Padrino tequila cream or orange liqueur.
Tequila cream.
All right, if you don't have tequila cream, use triple sec, use Cointreau, use something orange. Doesn't have to be a cream liqueur. 1 ounce.
I bet the orange would be good though, because it's chocolate and orange.
I'm gonna mix it then. I'll do one of each. I'll do half an ounce of this.
Okay.
And I'll do half an ounce of this. If you don't have either one of these, just use an ounce of triple sec. Off to blend. You know what this smells like?
Deliciousness.
No, it smells like tequila. It's like a tequila frosty.
Oh my God.
Cheers to a frozen chocolate margarita from Olivia's Cuisine.